Fortis FormIt streamlines form creation, submission, and archiving in the digital age. Creating forms is a simple drag-and-drop process, and the forms can be published on your company's network or the internet in minutes. Create surveys, job applications, invoice forms, new account forms, or just about any form you can think of. Fortis FormIt can help you make it. Submitted forms can be archived into Fortis as a PDF or Word document for easy retrieval. Information filled out on the form automatically indexes the Fortis document. Data collected on the form can also be shared with line of business applications. Now I'm going to open the Administration Center and look at a paid time off request form. There's an easy-to-use interface for your form on the right and a menu of commonly used fields to click and drag on the left. The standard objects include formatted text fields, embedded video objects, web address link creator, tab controls, and panel objects to give your form a unique feel. Creating custom objects to use in multiple forms is a snap as well. Let's say you created a drop-down menu that you want to be able to use in several different forms. For instance, this drop-down menu with the departments might be needed in several different forms. Instead of creating it multiple times for your different forms, just click and drag the object to your custom box. You now have the department drop-down menu that you can easily drop in any form you create. Expanding the custom menu bar, I can now see the manager drop-down box we had dragged in there. I can also see a comments box that would be useful on this PTO request form. I can simply click and drag that custom box to the form. We have the form just the way we want, so let's click Finish to save the form. Now we'd like to see how the form looks to our users. I can click Test to see a working version of how our form will look. Let's have a look at some of the basic features that are in use on this form. The red asterisks indicate that those fields are required before the form can be submitted. Rather than filling out the PTO date manually, I can click the calendar icon to select the date I would like to have off. Next, I can select the department I work for, and you'll notice that the manager's email box is instantly populated. When I selected my department, FormIt looked at a database to find out which manager is in charge of that department. FormIt can populate as many fields or drop-down menus as you want from as many databases as you need. Now that I've completed my form, I can click Submit to finalize. Now that the form is complete, it's time to make it available for people to use. Clicking Share will give you a host of options to make your form available to the world. Full page pop-up is HTML code for making your form be clickable on your web page and appear in a new tab or pop-up on a user's browser. The link option is a simple URL that can be sent to anyone for clicking an immediate view of the form. The process is quick, easy, and automated, delivering the request directly to the manager for approval. Now that the form has been submitted and archived into Fortis, the manager of the department has received an email notifying him of the new PTO request. Running a quick search in Fortis displays the new PTO forms. FormIt has filled in the form with the provided information, and the metadata is also recorded in the index fields on the right. The possibilities are endless with Fortis FormIt. For more information on Fortis FormIt, send an email to info@westbrooktech.com or use the Contact Us link on our website at www.westbrooktech.com.